Wildfire. 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 Noun. Definition: a large, destructive fire that spreads quickly over woodland or brush. Example: prolonged dry periods and seasonal high winds in spring help create ideal conditions for wildfire to spread quickly through highly flammable moorland undergrowth. Noun. Definition: a combustible liquid such as Greek fire that was readily ignited and difficult to extinguish, used especially in warfare. Noun. Definition: less common term for will-o'-the-wisp.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.